Whoa, man, an orchid. That's wild.
Left lung to mind control. Sir, something's different. It's clean air, sir. Sensory overload. Breathe. Woo! It's like Christmas.
Hey, what's gotten into you?
Oh,
You like my Koru?
oh, is that what you called your orchid?
No, the pot. It's the world's first AI-powered plant pot and air purifier. Koru combines the natural air filtration properties of plants with a high-end photocatalyst filter, UVA and UVC light to eliminate 99% of smoke, pollution, and bacteria. Plus, Koru uses a washable filter, so it never needs to be replaced. Koru also automates my plant care. It provides specific parameters for over 150 houseplants and has a growing botanical database. The light, temperature, and humidity sensors provide real-time monitoring and feedback on how to grow my plants based on the current season. The sensors keep the soil moist at just the right level and also let me know when I need to refill the water reservoir. It even tracks how much light my plant gets, so I know if I need to move it or not. Hey Alexa, how's my plant doing?
Your orchid is doing perfectly, and your home's current air quality is fantastic.
Introducing Koru, the revolutionary smart plant pot and air purifier. Order yours now.
I can finally take a break.